वेलकम टू माय चैनल एजुकेशन डेमिस्टिफाइड। आज डीबीएमएस की एमसीक्यू डिस्कस करने वाले हैं जो कि कॉलेज एग्ज़ाम और कॉम्पिटिटिव एग्ज़ाम के लिए बहुत ही इम्पोर्टेंट है। आज की एमसीक्यू मेनली डीबीएमएस की फर्स्ट चैप्टर के ऊपर है, मतलब वेरी बेसिक फ्यू क्वेश्चंस एंड डीबीएमएस आर्किटेक्चर के ऊपर है। नाउ फर्स्ट एमसीक्यू, DBMS helps to achieve option A data independence, B centralized control of data, C neither A or B, and D both A and B. Correct answer is both A and B. Second question, which type of data can be stored in the database? Option A image oriented data, B text files containing data, C data in the form of audio or video, and last option D all of the above. Correct answer is all of the above. Third MCQ, architecture of the database can be viewed as options are A 2 levels, B 4 levels, C 3 levels, D 1 level. Correct answer is 3 level. Now, in the architecture of a database system, external level is the चारों options है A physical level, B logical level, C conceptual level, D view level. Correct answer is view level. The view of total database content is चारों options है A conceptual view, B internal view, C external view, D physical view. Correct answer is conceptual view. Sixth MCQ, conceptual design. Option A is a documentation technique, B needs data volume and processing frequencies to determine the size of the database, C involves modeling independent of the DBMS, D is designing the relational model. Correct answer is C involves modeling independent of the DBMS. Next question. The database schema is written in option A HLL, option B DML, option C DDL, option D DCL. Correct answer is DDL, Data Definition Language. Next MCQ, a logical schema A is the entire database, B is a standard way of organizing information into accessible parts, C describes how data is actually stored on disk, D both A and B. Correct answer is a logical schema is the entire database. Next question. The database environment has all of the following components except A user, B separate files, C database, D database administrator. Correct answer is users. Next, which of the following is a component of the DBMS? A data, B data languages, C data manager, D all of the above. Correct answer is all of the above. A view of a database that appears to an application program is known as A schema, B subschema, C virtual table, D none of these. Correct answer is subschema. Which database level is closest to the user? A. External, B. Internal, C. Physical, D. Conceptual. Correct answer is external. It is better to use files than a DBMS when there are option A. Stringent real-time requirements. Option B. Multiple users wish to access the data. C. Complex relationships among data. D. All of the above. Correct answer is multiple users wish to access the data. Next question. A data dictionary is a special file that contains A. The name of all fields in all files. B. The width of all fields in all files. C. The data type of all fields in all files. D. All of the above. Correct answer is all of the above. Next, a set of possible data values is called A. Attribute, B. Degree, C. Tuple, D. Domain. Correct answer is domain. Next, the users who use the easy to use menu are called A. Sophisticated end users, B. Native users, C. Standalone users, D. Casual end users. Correct answer is native users. The file organization that provides very fast access to any arbitrary record of a file is, four options are A. Ordered file, B. Unordered file, C. Hashed file, D. B-tree. Correct answer is hashed file. A database management system is a type of dash software. Correct answer. First, four options are A. It is a type of system software. B. It is a kind of application software. C. It is a kind of general software. D. Both A and C. Correct answer is it is a type of system software. Which one of the following refers to the data about data? Options are dictionary, B. subdata, C. warehouse, D. metadata. बेसिकली मेटाडेटा एक ऐसी टाइप की डेटा है जो उस डेटा की और कोई डेटा और इंफॉर्मेशन को डिस्क्राइब करती है. अगर एक कॉमन म्यूजिक फाइल को एग्जांपल लिया जाए तो उसकी मेटाडेटा उस म्यूजिक फाइल की सिंगर्स नेम, द ईयर इट वाज रिलीज्ड और लिरिक्स सब कुछ इंक्लूड करती है. सो करेक्ट आंसर इज मेटाडेटा. Next question. Which of the following refers to the level of data abstraction that describes how the data actually stored? डेटा एब्स्ट्रैक्शन के मतलब उस डेटा को डिस्प्ले और शेयर करना जिसकी ज़रूरत है, एंड हाइडिंग from all other data until it is necessary to share it. So data abstraction level actually describe करती है data system में कैसे store होती है, and this particular level is known as physical level. So correct answer is option B, physical level. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe my channel and press bell icon for further video updates.